Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be cooking up a nice delicious steak in the Instant Pot. So I have my steak laid out here. We're going to add in some vegetables, and the vegetables of my choice for tonight are potatoes and carrots, and I also have my seasonings laid out. I have some Italian dressing, some onion powder, some lemon pepper seasoning, some salt, and some black pepper. And if you're interested in the ingredients or the recipe, I will have it in the description box below. So we're going to start out by coating the inside of the pot with nonstick cooking spray and adding some liquid to the bottom. I always like to use some sort of broth. And then I'm going to put my steaks in the Instant Pot. I don't fuss too much about the order that I put the ingredients in because I'm going to end up coating everything to make sure every piece of meat and every piece of vegetables are well seasoned. So next I'm just going to dump in my carrots and my potatoes, and then I'm ready to start adding some flavor for the meal. So I'm going to start by adding in my Italian dressing. Just drizzle that all over the carrots, potato, and steak. And then I'm going to start adding in my seasonings and spices. So this is just a little bit of onion powder. And I'm using onion powder because my sons are not fans of onion, but they don't mind the onion powder. Next, I'm going to sprinkle in some lemon pepper seasoning. And then I'm going to follow that up with salt because, of course, salt brings out the flavor in almost every dish. And then I'm going to add in the black pepper. And this is going to be served over a bed of rice. We're in South Carolina, and my boys and husband just like rice with most meals. So I'm going to make some gravy as well. So I had this packet of gravy mix on hand. I usually use any type of brown gravy with the exception of onion gravy because, again, I don't have big onion fans in my house. So I'm going to toss the entire packet in and then add in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce as well, and that will complete the layers of flavor. Okay, so now I have out my favorite kitchen utensil, the tongs. I use these for everything. They're just so handy and convenient. And all I'm doing here is just kind of tossing things around. It's difficult to stir in your Instant Pot, but I'm just going to toss around the meat and the potatoes and the carrots just to spread out that flavor and the seasonings and the Italian dressing and the broth, just to make sure that everybody gets a little bit of flavor. And that's it. I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes and let this start cooking. About 30 minutes or so, I release the steam and I stir things up a little bit. I look at the gravy to see if I need to sprinkle in some flour to thicken it, and then I cook it for another 20 minutes in the Instant Pot or pressure cooker, whatever you have. Now I'm putting on the rice, and then once I'm done with that, the rice will be finished. It takes about 20 minutes for the rice to cook in the rice cooker, so they all kind of finish cooking at the same time. I like for all of my food to be ready at the exact same time, and this is what the final plate looks like. Doesn't that look delicious and savory and like a comfort meal? I know my family sure thinks so. So that's it. I am so happy that you decided to watch this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.